Yes. What you know commonly as the ladybug is also named Ladybird.
That is true.
And this comes from a very old book entitled Ladybird Quickly.
We don't have it anymore.
And sometimes a ladybug will land on you, and it's supposed to bring you good luck.
You should not say, bug, bug!
It's sort of like folklore, but there's a saying that goes, Ladybird, ladybird, fly away home. And Bear doesn't like this part. Your house is on fire, your children alone.
Which is a terrible thing to say to somebody.
But it's part of the story, and we want some audience participation. So boys and girls, that's your part in the story. So Bear will cue us, and when he does, we'll all say, ready? Ladybird, ladybird, fly away home. Your house is on fire, your children alone.
I think that's very impressive. How they picked it up like that.
Ready?
Alright. The fly told the wasp, and the wasp told the spider.
Ladybird, ladybird, fly away home. Your house is on fire, your children alone.
That spider let down a very fine thread, and he told the snail. The snail slowly crawled to tell the green grasshopper.
Ready? Ladybird, ladybird, fly away home. Your house is on fire, your children alone.
The grasshopper whirred it into a tune, and cicada joined in, chirruping loudly to the black ant. Ready?
Ladybird, ladybird, fly away home. Your house is on fire, your children alone.
Them ants passed that message on to the stag beetle. Who told Granddaddy Longlegs? Who told the gay dragonfly?
Ladybird, ladybird, fly away home. Your house is on fire, your children alone.
The dragonfly called down to a waterbug paddling. Busy waterbug told a bee passing by. Like that.
Ladybird, ladybird, fly away home. Your house is on fire, your children alone.
Humming and buzzing, bee flew to the flowers. And that buzzing was carried from blossom to 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 a bright colored butterfly.
Ready? Ladybird, ladybird, fly away home. Your house is on fire, your children alone.
The butterfly flew to the moths.
Ladybird, ladybird, fly away home. Your house is on fire, your children alone.
Them fluttering moths, they heard that echo and they saw the ladybird flitting nearby. So they stopped her to tell her before she went any further, your house is on fire! Your children are alone! Ladybird quickly flew as fast as she could to her tree on the hilltop. It was flashing and sparkling and flicker with fire like candles at Christmas. Ah! But when she got to the tree, there were her babies, just quite safe, not alone. And there were thousands of fireflies, each bearing a light of his own, dancing and a-prancing and singing the song.
Ready?
Lady